This is Mahmoud Hassan Mehraj. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, this is the top view, this is the front view, and this is the right side view. So first of all, I will start drawing from the uh, front view. In the front view, I will draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 80 by 70 unit. Then I will start proceed to 120 unit. Okay. After that, in the right plane, I will draw a corner rectangle in here, and after drawing that corner rectangle, I will dimension it from this vertical line to this line is 35 unit, and from this horizontal line to this line 20 unit. Then I will extrude cut this portion. Okay, let's go back to our sketch. And so first of all, I am selecting the front plane. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select the corner rectangle and place the corner rectangle here, and this rectangle has a dimension of 80 by 70 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 120 unit. Now press OK. Now I am selecting this right face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select the corner rectangle again and draw another corner rectangle here. And now select the span dimension tool, and from this vertical line to this vertical line the distance is 35 unit, so dimension it to 35 unit. Then select this horizontal line, and from this bottom horizontal line the distance is 20 unit, so dimension it to 20 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now press OK. So our extrude cut portion has been done. Let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch, we can see that we have a triangular cut here, and this triangular cut, for drawing that I will draw an inclined line here, and after that from this point to this point the distance is 35 unit, and from this point to this point the distance is 40 unit. Okay, then I'll to cut this portion. After that, we can see in the top plane we have a rectangular cut here, and for drawing the rectangular cut I'll draw a center line here, and this center line has a dimension of 25 unit. Then I'll offset two line, and this offset line has a distance as the total distance from here to here. We can see it has a dimension of 35 unit. So 35 minus this 10 and this 10, so it will be 15 unit. So the total distance here is 15 unit, so the half distance will be 7.5 unit. Then I'll close this rectangle. Then I'll extrude cut. Then I'll extrude cut this portion 80 minus 5 unit. Okay, so let's go back to our sketch. So I am selecting this face, front face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select the line tool from here and draw an inclined line. Now after drawing the inclined line, select the span dimension tool, and from this point to this horizontal line the distance is 35 unit, so dimension it to 35 unit. After that, select this upper point and this line, and this distance is 40 units, so dimension it to 40 unit. Now select the line tool and close the shape. So the triangular shape has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now press OK. So this extrude cut portion has been done. Now select this top face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now select the center line and draw a center line from here to here. The dimension is 25 unit. Okay. After that, now I select the offset unities. We need to offset as the total distance is 35 units. So the two distance minus 10, so the half distance will be divided by 2. So it will be 7.5. So I will offset this line from 7.5 bidirectional cap pinned line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut up to 80 minus 5 unit. Now press OK. So our this extrude portion has been done. Let's go back to our sketch. And in our sketch, we can see we have a triangular shape. And for drawing this triangular shape, first of all, I will draw this line, and this line has a dimension of 50 unit. Then I'll and then from this point to this point I will joint a inclined line. Then I'll close this shape. After that, we can see that it has a extrude boss of total extrude boss of 55 units. So from as I will drawing from this face, the distance will be 55 minus 20 unit. Okay, so this distance will be 55 minus 20 unit. So let's go back to our sketch and draw this portion. For that, I'm selecting this face and now right click on it. Now sketch. After that, normal to it. Now select the line tool from here and draw an vertical line, and this vertical line has a dimension of 50 unit. After that, draw an inclined line, this point to this point. Okay, now close the shape. So our triangle portion has been done. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. As the total distance is 55 unit, but we have already done 20 unit extrude boss, so minus 20 unit extrude boss. So it will be 35 unit. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch, we can see if we draw a line, we can see these 2 points are at the same line. So that's why we can see this, but this vertical line also showing a same vertical line. Okay, so for drawing this shape, we can see I will draw an vertical line here, and this vertical line has a distance of from this point to this point. It will be 120 plus 15 unit. Okay, after that I will draw uh, an center line here, and this center line has a distance of 30 unit. Then I'll draw another vertical line here and join this two line, and after that I will close this shape. After that I will get this diamond shape. After getting this diamond shape, I will expose it to 40 unit. So as I will be drawing in this face, so I will expose the upper portion 20 unit and the lower portion also 20 unit. So let's go back to our sketch. So I'm selecting this face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select the center line and select the line tool and draw a vertical line. Okay, after drawing the vertical line, select the smart dimension tool, and from this point to this horizontal line, the total distance will be 120 plus 15 unit. Now select the center line from here and draw a center line of 30 unit. So 30 unit center line has been drawn. Now select the line tool again and selecting the line tool again and draw a vertical line. And after matching this point, press OK and close this shape by drawing an inclined line. Okay, now again select the line tool here. We need to draw the diamond shape. So I'm selecting this point and this point. So all the shape has been done. Now press OK. So now now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. As the total distance is 40 units, so the upper distance will be 40 minus 20 units. So 20 unit, and the direction to distance will be also 20 unit. Now press OK. So as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.